What if I told you that the secret to productivity is actually putting less on your to-do list? I've spent my whole day before just doing things, and at the end of the day, feeling overwhelmed and unproductive because the most important things to accomplish my goals were still on my list. So I built this system for you to brain dump all of the things that you want to do all on this sheet. Here's the trick, and once you do that, you only move the high priority tasks to your to-do list. I add a few fillers on this list to get quick wins to make me feel good, but the important stuff every day gets done. So I go from scattered to laser focused in only 2 minutes. So I'm going to show you how this works. So this is my spreadsheet. This is my simple to-do list. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. And so what you want to do here is this is your brain dump. So you're just going to come in and start from scratch. You're going to come in and just quick write all of the things that you need to get done, everything that's on your list. So you're going to, schedule the doctor's appointment. You need to write the newsletter. You need to hit the grocery store because then no one's going to eat. You need to call the plumber because that's real important. And you really want to create social media posts for your business. You also have different things that you want to do every day. You want to walk 20 minutes. You want to drink more water. Now, once you've got everything on here, then you can start writing due dates. Like, hey, I'm going to run out of my medication soon. I need to get that done. I really want to write my newsletter, and I really want to write one every week. So we'll make that due soon. Grocery store, that has to happen today because we are out of food. I also really, really need to call the plumber because we've got an issue. Creating social media posts, that's important to me too. Walking 20 minutes, that can wait a little bit. So here what you're doing is you're just kind of saying, okay, what's more important? And if you think you see things that need to be done soon, that's higher priority. So one thing you can do is while you're writing this down, you can come in, you can highlight some things in different colors to make it, stand out a little bit. So like these are the ones that need to be done. That's really important. So this is going to be your main list of all the things that you want to get done. And now we're going to go over to our to-do list. And then this is the things that I want to get done today. This is really important to me. So on my to-do list, what I do first is I come in and I put in a couple quick wins that I know I'm going to get done without having too much effort. And then it's going to really help me to feel excited and accomplished. I start off my day by make your bed. That's the easiest thing to do. That starts off my day feeling like I got this. Then I fill my water bottle. I usually check my email. Those things are a given. That way, when I come in by lunch, I've at least got 3 check marks and I'm like, yes, I'm having a good day, Then you can come in and we can go back to our brain dump task list and we go, oh, I really need to get these 3 things done. That's really important to me. And these things that I'm going to put on my list today, these are the things I'm going to focus on today. And I keep my list short because the thing is if you add, what I've found for myself is if I add too many things on my to-do list, I get so overwhelmed with noise and like, there's all these things I want to do, but I don't always get everything done. And so I keep my list short and sweet. And if you're a busy, I know that there are, I'm probably talking to busy moms that have 500 things going on, busy business owners. You've got 1,000 things happening. You have so much to do and you are overwhelmed. So this to-do list is a for sure, this is your highest priority things that you have to get done. You can add other things on this list but you're telling yourself, if I don't get it done, it's not the worst thing in the world. I also like to add a few things on my list that I have a really big project that I'm going to break this down into smaller chunks and I'm going to do a little bit at a time. So going back to the task list, this is something that I really want to do consistently. So I'll come in and then I can write one little thing like create one social post. So that way I'm not feeling so pressured so that I have to do a year's worth today, but that I can go, okay, I can do one thing towards my big goal. And this could be anything, and I'm sure there's lots of things, but that's how I break things down. So, and you can also come in and, the most important thing on your plate today is you got to call the plumber because there's some serious stuff happening that you can do. And then by the time you're getting to your to-do list, you've already made your bed and you've filled your water bottle, so you have 2 on there. And then you sit down, and you've called the plumber, so that's 3. Um, and so what I try to do is, have some quick wins and a little task that I'm doing by lunch. And then after lunch, I've got other things that I want to do. So that way I'm kind of breaking up my day for productivity. So that's how this sheet works. Super simple. You can use this in Google Sheets or Excel. You can also print this out, and I laminate mine, and I have a dry erase marker that I like to check off while I'm going throughout my day. So if you are interested in using this system of brain dumping and then choosing your high priority tasks, putting it on your to-do list, and really getting a lot done in your day, feel free to purchase this sheet on my website at savvyandthriving.com. I have over 450 sheets that can help you to stay organized. You can organize your home, your business, your budget, and things like that. So feel free to take a look around on my website. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you guys have a great day.